Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to earn money by watching videos. So you have to watch free videos and earn free money. So you have to, and the link will be in the description. You have to come on to the description and click on the link, and you have to come on to the website. So after clicking on the link, you have to come. You will be coming to this website like welcome to like. So this is the website. You have to click on the link, and you can see our 300,000 reviews on YouTube. So that's the reviews. This website is super legit. So you have, after clicking on claim 2 USDT, this will, you have to click on claim 2 USDT. After clicking on this, you will earn 2 USDT for free. You have to register account number, you have to put your email, mnemonic phrase, you have to put your secret code. So you have to, and you have to write your mnemonic code in your notebook, so they have want that code when you are withdrawing. So after setting mnemonic code phrase, you have to click on create password. You have to letters and numbers, not the symbols. So you have to write letters and numbers, and the invitation code will be added to automatically. So after click on, after this, you have to put your all details and you have to click on register. So after this, you have to you will be redirected to this page. You can see here my balance. $2 is the free balance. You can withdraw your $2 as well. So you have to complete the basic verification of Binance, and you have to copy your TRC20 address and paste it in this. In the next video, I will show you how to withdraw money from this website. So you have to complete tasks and earn money. You have to click on tasks. After clicking on task, you can see here 0.10 cents for one video you have watched. So you have to click on receive. So you have to click on receive. After clicking on receive, you have to first watch the 10 seconds videos in the first part, and you have to watch 10 seconds or 10-second video of the last of the video. So you have to like the video and come back. So after coming back, the 0.10 USDT have been added to your account. So that's 100% legit. So you have to implement this way. So after withdrawing a few dollars your account, you have to put so after a few days you have to add your membership. After withdrawing, you have to add your membership, and after a few days you have to add your membership. After adding your membership, this is 100% legit. This will cost money and earn more money to you. So this is the membership ways. VIP1 is the price of $20. You have to invest $20 and earn monthly income of $33, and that's the validity period is 365 days. So there is more plans, but I have to click on VIP3. That's the great plan. Monthly income is about $500. So this is the great plan. You have to upgrade to this plan. So in the next videos, I will show you how to upgrade to a plan and how to withdraw the money from this website. So keep watching the channel, and please subscribe to this channel so you don't have missed any update. So always for that video, like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.